New seats are in. Didn't take long for the old ones to sell. I put them up online. 30 minutes later, $300. But anyhow, these are the new seats. I'll do a walk around. Might as well. And then I'll get some good pictures. It's my 78 K-10. Most people might recognize it from all the square body sites. And they fit nice. A little bit of a struggle getting them in because, let me tell you, these puppies are heavy. Hold on a second. All right. Of course, now, you know, when the seat's up, when this is up, see, now you got your full bench. Which covers that back wall. So I just got Dynomet back there. And then, if you need more storage, there's some right there. But, come back around and flip it down. Flip it down, you just pull that lever there. And then it flips back down. You're like that. So, new seats are in. I'm out.